While some artists use paintbrushes, Andrew Mallon uses chainsaws. With 10 different chainsaws, he's turning a fallen tulip poplar tree into a work of art.
I'm a carpenter by trade, and I got into hand whittling. Actually, my pencil's on the off time with my little razor knife, and I would carve little faces into them. It just kind of evolved, and I got a carving knife, and I started whittling on wood, and then I got big chisels and gouges and started whittling more, and I quickly realized I could visually see and make whatever I wanted. I've seen people on TV doing it with a chainsaw, and I said, it's just another tool in the hand, I could do that. Suzanne Holland, one of the directors here at the Nature Center, she called me a few months back and said, I've got a really big poplar tree and it's right in a great location and we would love to do something special with it.
2 lightning bolts during a storm turned a 100-foot poplar into a splintered, dangerous threat. Located just outside the picture window at Hidden Oaks Nature Center, the tree had been the focal point of the woodland view from the center for years. Instead of just chopping it down, the Friends of Hidden Oaks started a fundraising campaign, seeking ideas for carving the blasted tree into an artistic appreciation of nature. This project has become a gateway activity for the community to support Hidden Oaks' 50th anniversary.
This is our 50th anniversary. Hidden Oaks was the first nature center in Fairfax County, so we are celebrating on October 19th with an open house. We are going to be doing the grand unveiling of the tree then. We did something a little bit different with Andrew. We had found that he had done sculptures in Arlington and Falls Church, but typically he saw the tree and created. We wanted to get the public involved because this is a volunteer-funded activity. So we had a sculpture drawing made with Andrew's assistance and have had volunteers, families adopt an animal. So we had a family who had a volunteer who had been turning 80 this year. This gentleman's family is donated $2,000 towards the tree. So we have a lot of people who have participated in this and it's become a big community project. The special feature we have is that we're going to, with all the enthusiasm from the community with this project, be able to also have a bench from the top part of the tree that was left behind so people can stay dawn to dusk looking at this beautiful sculpture.
Andrew finished the tree, blew off the dust, then added a touch of color with black paint and a blowtorch. Typically, when one hears a chainsaw in the woods, something beautiful is being removed. This time, it's different. A chainsaw created a work of art.